This simple storybook Grandma's Bag of Stories got over 19,000 sales, and if you multiply this by $1, which is his Kindle edition price, this shop had made over $19,000. And there are tons of examples who are making money by selling children's storybooks. And in this video, I will share with you how you can also make storybooks with the help of AI. Everything from story to visuals to publishing. And I am also going to share with you my secret which help you to stand out from the competition, so stick to the video until the last. I was scrolling on Amazon for finding some business ideas when I saw there is a high demand for children's storybooks. Because it is not easy to make storybooks. You have to write a story, then you have to learn design skills, or you have to pay lots of money to freelancers who will design your storybooks. But that's all in the past. Now we have AI, and with the help of AI, we can create stories and visuals in a matter of time. So now let's move to how we can make it possible. We are going to follow 4 steps. First, creating a story. And for that, I am going to use ChatGPT. Second, designing visuals for our stories, and for that, I am going to use Lenardo.ai. Third, creating storybooks from first and second, and for that, I am going to use Canva. Fourth, publishing our storybooks at the marketplace, which is going to be Amazon KDP. So now moving to the first one, creating a story. So I went ahead and asked the chatbot to write a short children's story for me with the chapter. And right away ChatGPT generates a story for me, and it also arranges it in chapters outline. But this story is long, we want a shorter version, so I typed it to make it shorter. And now it gives me a shorter version of the same story. And now we have some great stories. We are going to head over to Lenardo.ai, which is going to create visuals for our stories. If you don't know about Lenardo, it's another AI program that is going to generate images for us. For getting started, you need to get early access, so click on this icon and write your email and click Count Me In. After that, this page comes on your screen which says to join the Discord server, but you don't necessarily need to join their Discord because all the work is going to be done on the web. So go back and click the launch app. After that, click on I am whitelisted. After that, it will ask you to log in. Simply click on login and proceed. Then click on continue with Google and select your Google account. Congratulations, you have successfully created your account on Lenardo.ai. This AI work on a token system. It gives you 150 token per day in the free plan, and with this you can generate 150 images per day. I think this is more than enough, but if you want more you can upgrade your plan. So now clicks on AI image generation in user tools, and this is the place where all the magic is going to happen. So here we are going to enter the image prompt. So now what you have to do is simply copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it here. I copied the first chapter story and pasted into Lenardo search box, and right away it generate this image for me. I really like the second one, so click on the image and download it, and now I am going to copy the second chapter story and paste it here. Now I am going to edit a little bit. I add a squirrel after Sammy so that Lenardo understands that Sammy is a squirrel, and now again Lenardo generates this beautiful image for me. So now I am going to this image and doing the same with the other 2 chapters. So now we have the story and the visuals which we are going to use in our storybooks. Moving to the third one, creating storybooks on Canva. Simply open Canva and create your account. After that, search storybooks on the search box. Click on create blank. Now click on the plus icon on the upper right side and add the number of pages your story needs. Now add all the visuals which you downloaded from Lenardo.ai. Now add the image to the sequence on the page. Adjust the image with page dimensions. Do this with all the images. Now after completing adding visuals, we need to add the text story over the visuals. I started off with the title of my book, which is The Magical Adventure of Sammy the Squirrel. Click on add a headline, write your storybook title and edit how you want to edit a text. So now moving to the actual story. Copy the chapter 1 story from ChatGPT and paste it here. Add some background if you want, or change the font that you like. And do the same with all the other pages. After that, download this storybook. Now you are ready to make passive income. Go to Amazon and create your account and publish your storybooks. If you face any problems publishing storybooks, you can watch a tutorial on YouTube. There are tons of videos on that. So now the secret method I was talking about, which helps you to stand out from the competition, is you can select a niche and create storybooks in that niche only. This will give you a specific type of audience, like you can create storybooks on superheroes or fantasy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.